Welcome to the Brook Railroad. And today we're taking the trucks apart on the Brook 105. And then we're going to paint it after getting all the rust off and stuff. We're going to make them look good as new, and we're going to grease them, and we're going to put everything back together. So this car is well over a decade old. And it's time for its first overhaul. But of course, the first step is taking everything apart. And trucks, these trucks here, they're held together by springs. I'll just pop these apart and stick them all in the same box together. Put my hand over it to keep it from popping out onto the floor. There. There we go. That one didn't want to move. There's a bunch of stuff in here we got to clean out, so I think I'll let them soak in something that will get rid of rust. Then we'll clean them up and give them a fresh coat of paint. Put those in the box for now. So, how does this truck come apart, you ask? First, we lift the bolster. This truck is upside down, so bring the bolster to the bottom now that the springs are out. And now I can take the side frame off. So let's see what's in the way here. Well, it appears I just have to turn the kitty corner and then pull the side frame off. Easy as that. Now I'll take these wheel sets apart, or off. Just set those on the floor, deal with those later. So now I get to clean these up. Electronic cleaner. Works beautifully. Look at that. It's already evaporated. And if you run out of electronics cleaner, you can always use carbon choke cleaner or brake parts cleaner. Gets the job done. Carbon choke cleaner seems to do a better job though. So I'm going to pull these bearings out. Hopefully I'll be able to get them out. Get all the dirt out of them. That one's kind of stuck in there. Oh dear. Well, the seal just came out on the bearing, so I guess I'm going to be ordering new bearings for this now. Well, that's going to set us back a while. Probably not the end of the world. Not the worst thing that could happen, having to buy new bearings. repacking bearings with grease. Axle grease. Red axle
cranberry
grease.
sauce.
The forbidden cranberry sauce.
We were joking around earlier, and you know, if you put that out of the can in a bowl next to real cranberry sauce, you'll probably go for the axle grease first.
Well,
Might taste better too.
The consistency after you get it moving a little bit is more like cherry pie filling.
I've got raspberry pie filling if you want to test.
What's that? Trying to quit.
I don't know. It's pretty good with mozzarella sticks.
Oh, okay. Well, anyway. There we go.
Anywho.
Put that in there. And I got...
Oh, I just realized for mounting.
If I could get Eric to unwrap the rest of the bearings.
I did.
That was so stupidly wonderful.
Wait, hold on.
There's this package. There's this package.
That package is through bearings.
Okay.
Do you need the through bearings as
I
well?
need through bearings as well for the rest of this.
Oh. So what is the
So this is
functional...
this is double race journal bearings for the 105 flat car.
The heavily awaited return of the 105.
This is one of the things I've been waiting for a while, and to be honest, they've been sitting on the shelf now longer than I had been waiting for them. So shame on me.
For shame.
But I figure whether they're pre-greased or not doesn't matter. I am greasing them anyway. They don't appear to be pre-greased. I'm hoping I'm putting enough grease in them without a bearing packer, and they won't fit in a bearing packer anyway. It's hard to gauge how much you have in there and how much you don't, but I'm just sort of packing it in there and moving the bearing around, and that's kind of what you do with the bearings on the pickup truck. So
It's got wheels.
if it works for the
rolls.
F-250, it ought to work for this, right?
That's if the F-250 works.
Well, it doesn't at the moment, but it will one day. Now I've got to stencil the car off to the computer.